All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XLM family. Appreciate you guys as always. But yeah, without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening with the price and what we could be expecting going further. Anyone that's celebrating Christmas, shout out to you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful time. Anyone that's not celebrating Christmas, happy holidays to each and every one of you guys. Appreciate all your support over the years, and continue supporting 100,000 subscribers in the year of 2025. And I need each and every one of you guys' support. That would mean the world. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with the market. It looks like Santa Claus has come, much earlier because Christmas is tomorrow. But at the time of you watching the video, it is going to be Christmas. So I guess Santa Claus came a little early. But looking across the board, a lot of green. Of course, XLM is also up today. Up 5% right now, showing on the daily time frame. It's up more than that. When I pull out the charts, I will show you guys what I mean. But the broader market is feeling the love today. Definitely. The price of XLM is currently sitting at 38.7 cents. Also up 1.1% in Bitcoin comparative right now. Yes, we are not seeing, crazy, gains in the Bitcoin comparative right now because, even though the dominance has gone down, it's still quite high, which is something that, you don't want to be ignoring. But still, we're up. That is something that, we need to be realizing. As far as the market valuation goes, $11.7 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume at about 570.6 million. So compared to what we have seen a few weeks ago, the 24-hour trading volume is still quite low, and that is, of course, something I do want you guys to realize. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as you can see, the dominance has been pulling down. So, we saw that 59.91%, retest on the 20th. Since then, dominance falling down, while Bitcoin is making its way slowly but surely back up to the $100,000 price point. We still haven't seen the $100,000 being reclaimed. We came very close to that just a few hours ago, but never really managed to get back above there. But if Bitcoin is able to hold around here, I do believe, the next few days could be quite interesting for Bitcoin to start heading back towards, the $100,000 price point. And not only that, all the retracement for the market is going to be bought back up. Market is going to recover exactly what we projected. If you bought back over the last few days, if you've been dollar cost averaging, if that's your strategy, I'm sure you guys know, a lot of coins across the board are actually up double digits right now. But let's shift our focus towards XLM because, of course, that's what everyone's here for, really understanding what's happening with the price and, of course, what we could be expecting. So right now, of course, this is the daily time frame, kind of gives you a better visual as to what's really happening. And it's no secret at this point as to what has happened. We saw a yearly high of 63 cents being retested for the first time since 2021, so about 3 years. And then, since then, we have seen a little bit of a cool off, not for just XLM, for the broader market. But I want you guys to take a look at it from, a closer time scale. But before I share the closer time scale with you, we are being, supported, and even the resistance around this range, kind of dating back to the 2020 and 2021 level, that is that exact same resistance coming in our way right now. We're finding a little bit of a, resistance around that range. And if this resistance is able to break out, I do believe we can start heading back up to those yearly highs. But with that said, let's shift our focus towards the hourly time frame. So if I show you guys the hourly time frame, things will make more sense. And when I show you guys the hourly time frame, you don't even need to be a technical analysis expert or have any sort of technical analysis experience to see that this chart does not look that bad after having an explosive move, pretty much nice sideways consolidation. And that's exactly what's happening. So of course, we made our ways down this wick down to the 31.18 cents. This was due to the broader market. We saw Bitcoin going down. We saw the entire market going down, with the dominance shot up to the likes of that the 60% mark almost, which of course had a negative impact on the altcoin market. So, XLM made its way down to the 31 cents mark, but anyone that obviously, accumulated to that range, did see a gain of about 33.6% in a matter of 4 days. Yes, you've heard that correct. So we did see our price go up to the 41.2 cents, but as we know, there's significant amount of resistance, and I don't even need to show you guys the previous cycle to show you this. You can clearly see there is some resistance around this range. I will give you guys a little bit of visual so you can see what I mean. Just look at that right at the neckline. Even though the market has seen a little bit of a minor pullback, number one, the volume is low right now. That's something that I indicated to you guys. Even though we have seen a beautiful bounce, the volume is low, and also on top of that, you have seen a little bit of a resistance, not a little bit, quite a significant resistance coming in the way. We got supported by that range a few times. You guys can see this for yourself, that exact same resistance rejection. So this is something that you don't want to be ignoring. So we did come across a little bit of a rejection, being supported by some support around this range. So far so good. Hopefully we do something like this, but breakout. If we're able to break out for XLM, I'm targeting around this 46 to 47 cents price point, and obviously after that we could start retesting the likes of some of these yearly highs, but one step at a time. As you guys know, on this channel we focus one step at a time, rather than just be like, yeah guys, we're heading back up to the 64 cents. That's not how it works, unfortunately. You need to be looking at these small targets, and if this support is able to turn, if this key resistance is able to turn into support in the next few hours, I think that would be a great bullish sign for the price of XLM. But keep your eyes very close to Bitcoin as well as the dominance index, and we'll take it from there. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.